Bummer, Lesson 2, Part 1, Grammar. So, introducing yourself. We'll go over 3 of the subject pronouns, I and you. So the pronoun for I is non. You see the Thummer script and then the transliterated script in the chart. Now, Thummer has 2 forms of saying the word you. There's a formal form and an informal form. So let's go over the formal form first, which is ningar. Ningar. So when would you use one form versus the other? The formal form is used when generally addressing your elders, when you're addressing someone who you respect in a more formal kind of way, and the informal you is used when you're addressing your friends, maybe people who are younger than you, someone you're familiar with. So generally between siblings, you'd use the ni. If you're speaking to your grandparents or an elder like a teacher, you would definitely use the ningar form there. So that's kind of a cultural note about the 2 ways to say you. Now, when you want to introduce yourself, in this case, Thummer doesn't use a verb to be, so you simply say the pronoun plus your name. So I would say nan Akshay to say I am Akshay. So if you look at the chart below, I have some examples with English names. So generally in the lesson portion of this course, I'm going to be using a lot of English vocabulary to show how English words are transliterated, but also to show how you can use English words in some cases when speaking Thummer if you don't know the Thummer words for them. So, introducing yourself. Nan Tim, I am Tim. So it's just simply nan plus Tim, which is the name, so pronoun plus name. You are Mary, using the formal form. Ningar Mary, you're Mary. And you are Joe, using the informal form. Ni Joe. So asking who. So the word for who is yar. Yar. So in Thummer, in English, you say who are you. You use the question word and then the pronoun who are you, or who is he. It's question and then the pronoun. But in Thummer, it's the pronoun plus the question word. So it's again, in this case, there's no verb to be. It's simply the pronoun plus the word for who. So who are you is ningar yar, because ningar is the word for you, the formal form of you, and then yar is who. So ningar yar. If you want to say who are you informally, that would be ni yar. And if you wanted to ask who am I, that would be nan yar. Occupation. So this follows a similar format. It's just pronoun plus the occupation without any sort of verb to be. So in English you say I am a teacher. In Thummer you just say I teacher. So nan teacher. In the next lesson we'll learn the vocabulary words for all this. And I'm just using these English words to show that you can use the English word for vocabulary words that you don't know, because a lot of times people will understand you. And also I'm showing how these words can be transliterated using the Thummer script. So I'm a teacher, non-teacher. You are a student, using the formal you. Ningar student.